If you like to eat fish, stop braising and steaming, try this garlic fillet recipe. Garlic is intense, tender and delicious. Fillet the fish sliced. Put a spoonful of salt. Join family drinking water. Grab it with your hand. Removes fishy odors. Cow. Then put half an egg white, ground with a pinch of salt and pepper. A little cornstarch and green onion and ginger water. You can wear clean gloves on your left hand. Grab it with your right hand and mix it well. Marinate for 10 minutes. Drizzle with cooking oil at the end, when water boils and bubbles. Put the green onion and ginger segments, a spoonful of cooking wine. Put the marinated fish fillet in one by one. Since you have already seen this tutorial, give me a thumbs up please. Thank you so much. Heat it for about 40 seconds and remove it. Start another pot and pour in garlic sauce. Add some millet spicy. Flavor it with 1/2 teaspoon light soy sauce. Stir fry continuously until a garlic aroma appears. Pour the steamed fish slices in it. Stir fry over high heat to absorb the flavor evenly. Add some green onions before removing from the pan. Stir fry a few times and you can put it on a plate. The garlic fish slices that comes out of this way is tender and flavorful. Rich garlic aroma. If you have a guest at home, preparing this dish to entertain guests is very prestigious. If you like it, collect it.